सच्चाई और बुराई का बीच में जो फर्क पड़ता है वो they don't understand. So in Tamoguna, this man hit killed the other guy and finished, ruined his life. And the mob who screamed and chased, वो रजोगुण में है. They were screaming. They don't know what has happened. They simply scream and shout and yell. They want to punish because this man killed the other guy, so they want to kill this guy. वो रजोगुण में. जो elderly आदमी protect किया, understanding his son was killed by this person. Even after knowing that his son was killed by this person, फिर भी उन्होंने प्रोटेक्ट किया है. ही इज इन द मोड ऑफ गुडनेस. तो आप समझा, जो शराब पिया वो रजोगुण में है, जो लोग चेसिंग किया वो तमोगुण में है. एंड द एल्डरली मैन हु फॉरगेव वो सात्विक गुण में है. क्या प्रभु जी, आई मेड ए मिस्टेक? सॉरी. सो जो शराब पिया, यस, जो शराब पिया वो रजोगुण, सॉरी तमोगुण में है. एंड द गाइज हु चेस्ड वेर इन रजोगुण, एंड द मैन हु फॉरगेव वाज इन गुडनेस, सात्विक. ओके, now these three are in three different gunas. Okay, they are very good. So out of the three, who is better? The man who was in sattvic gun was better because he could forgive. He could forgive the murderer. Still, problem is not solved. तब वो आदमी वापस आए. When the murderer came back, this elderly man advised him. That time he became in Vasudeva Sattva. He is above three gunas. Nitya Sattva, Vasudeva Sattva, वो spirituality है. So when the murderer came back, this elderly man who lost his son, he was in the mode of goodness. He could have said, okay, I forgive you, you go, it's okay, I forgive you. That ends, the sattvic guna ends there. But what happens, the elderly man एक step ऊपर गए और आगे बढ़े और उस लड़के को बोला बैठने के लिए. started advising him, correcting his mistake and gave the right answer. That platform is in Vasudeva Sattva. Above three gunas, that is spirituality. तो इस दुनिया में you have people in tamoguna, rajoguna, everywhere. Even being religious, going to temple, doing everything, दान करते हैं, पूजा पाठ करते हैं, charity देते हैं, गाय को दान करते हैं. Then they go to different temple, Durga Mata temple and this temple, that temple, घर पे हवन करते हैं, business करते हैं, charity. They are up to goodness, very good, but still it doesn't give solution. It doesn't give solution. So only spirituality can give solution. When you start chanting Krishna's name and भागवत पढ़ रहे हैं, नाम जप कर रहे हैं और गुरु से जो आध्यात्मिक दीक्षा लेते हैं, you are not a Hindu. आप हिंदू से भी एक कदम आगे हैं. ब्राह्मण से भी एक कदम आगे है. We are one step beyond Brahmanas, one step beyond Hindu. That is spirituality. तो भागवत में इन फर्स्ट कैंटो लिखा है, नारद मुनि, he was meditating on Narayana very sincerely when he was दासी पुत्र. जब वो दासी पुत्र थे, he could realize that Narayana is supreme and he was very deeply meditating. But his progress in spirituality got delayed. And Bhagavatam gives an answer why it is delayed. Narada is himself saying, what I did, I was chanting Narayana's name. Then gradually, I got attracted to the beautiful atmosphere and situation beyond, around me. मैं नदी के किनारे में था और beautiful mountains and greenery everywhere, amazing scenery, so fresh air, birds and animals, and such a sattvic jungle, such a sattvic place. There is no sin at all. वहां कोई शराब नहीं पीते हैं, मांस मच्छी नहीं खाते हैं. The jungle was so pure, surcharged with goodness. So what happened? While chanting, I got attracted to the natural beauty of that place. The river, beautiful flowing river, snow-clad mountains, the fresh and the beautiful horizon in the sky, chirping birds. I got attracted to sattvicness, and that delayed my spiritual progress. So we have to have a refined intelligence. व्यवसायात्मिका बुद्धि एकेह कुरु नंदना बहुशाखा ही अनंतश्च बुद्धयो अव्यवसायिनम. The most resolute, refined knowledge ऊपर आना चाहिए, beyond right and wrong, beyond goodness and badness, beyond everything, and try to see what is the absolute truth. So that is spirituality. तो यहाँ 20 और 21 श्लोका में लिखा है, a man who's read all the Vedas, Triveda, Traiveda, and doing all Pitru Puja, Yajna, and worshipping Devi Devatas, and he is doing everything right. He is not doing anything wrong. He is doing according to Vedas. Perfectly right thing. अच्छा है, स्वर्ग तक जाएगा. फिर क्षीणे पुण्ये मर्त्यलोकम विशन्ति. When his credit account gets disappeared, he has to again come back. In Bhagavatam, there is some sub-stories. In that one portion is called Nala Damayanti Charita. Story of Nala and Damayanti. Such a righteous king, Nala. Just because one day he did not wash his legs properly after having lunch, the Papa Purusha caught him. Just because he did not wash his legs. So, this material world is completely karmic bondage. In Brahma Samhita we say, Yastva Indra Gopa Atava Indra, Yastvindra Gopam Atavendra Ahosva Karma Bandhanurupam. Indra Gopa is that little jo fly aate barish ka time pe. It goes around the light. It's so much in India, that tiny mucky kind of stuff goes around the light. It lives only for 3 hours. Jo Indra Gop hai, सिर्फ 3 घंटे, they just live for 3 hours. In 3 hours they take birth, develop wings, get married, produce children, die. Everything in 3 hours. Just 3 hours. Yastva Indra Gopa Atavendra Hosva Karma Bandhanurupam. From Indra Gopa up to Indra, everybody is helplessly tied in this material world. It's like we are pressurized by the modes of material nature. Many times we are helpless, we are stuck, we don't know what to do. Everybody is bounded. Even though that person is so good, never done anything wrong, never spoke a lie in his life, always did good for others. जब हम द्वारका जाएंगे, द्वारका में एक पॉन्ड है, कुंड है, इतारसी कुंड. In that Atarsi Kund, it's originally called Nriga Maharaja, Nriga Kund. So this king Nriga gave a cow in charity, गाय को दान दिया, और वो गाय वापस आ गया. King by mistake gave the same cow to another Brahmana. तो दोनों ब्राह्मणा का बीच में झगड़ा हुआ और अंतिम में वो दोनों राजा को शाप दिया. द किंग डिड समथिंग गुड, देन दे गॉट बैड. सो we should not get stuck in religion. We have to go even beyond religion to spirituality. We should not get stuck. हम हिंदू से भी ऊपर हैं, ब्राह्मण से भी ऊपर है. वैष्णव माने रिलेशन बिटवीन ओनली सोल एंड बॉडी, बस उतना ही है. ये सिर्फ हिंदू मुसलमान सबका ऊपर है वैष्णव. Or Sanatan, you can use that word Sanatan. The spirit soul is far beyond everything. It's everything beyond. It's beyond what we get all these religious blessings. Because the highest blessing in this material world also doesn't give a proper complete solution. Even the greatest blessing. जो अंग्रेजी में एक कहानी है ना, the Midas touch. Don't know, some people pronounce Midas, some people pronounce Midas. I don't know what they pronounce. M-I-D-A-S. That's a nice story. Midas touch. उसको एक वरदान मिला. Whatever he touches will turn into gold. He was the happiest man in this world. Because every day he was converting everything into gold. Whatever he touches will turn into gold. He was the happiest person in the whole creation. Then the misery started. जब खाने के लिए वो जा रहे, whatever food he touches, it turns into gold. He cannot eat food. पानी को छुएगा वो भी सोना बन जाएगा. He cannot drink water. This man started starving. He can't eat because whatever he touches turns into gold. And finally, his only daughter, the princess, whom he loved so much, the king ran, the Midas, he ran and touched his daughter. She also turned into gold. The greatest blessings in this world turned to be a misery. और भागवत में मार्कंडेय का स्टोरी है. Markandeya got these blessings of living for thousands and thousands of ages. You know, Shivji gave this blessing because Markandeya's parents, they didn't have children, and they were praying and meditating. Itna prarthana kiya. So actually they didn't had a son in that lifetime, and Devas arranged a son from the future life and brought it something like that. और वो बच्चा सिर्फ 16 years he will live. And the parents didn't bother. They were so happy because they got a son after many years of tapas. So they were so happy. अच्छा बच्चा मिला बस. They completely forgot all those things. Then as the 16th year is getting closer, they remembered that their son will die. Already Yamaraj sent a message that your son will die. बहुत दुख हुआ उसको. And the boy asked, why are you so upset? And they told the story. And when the right time Yamaraj came to pick this son, वो भागकर he got a shivling. So Yamaraj has to uproot the shivling also. So Shiva appeared. And Yamaraj said, he lives only for 16 years. The day he crosses 16, he will be taken to Yamalok. So Lord Shiva blessed him. You will remain 16 forever. The greatest blessing in the whole creation. Who could win the death? You know, Ravan tried this. Hiranyakashipu tried this. Even so many scientists nowadays, they are trying this to win over death. And Markandeya got it. Always he will remain 16. Because Shiva also cannot stop death. Nobody can stop death. So Shiva, he can't stop death. But what he did, he protected this boy to be in 16 forever.